As news of a not guilty verdict reverberates,
people are angry.
There's disbelief and dismay in Victoria's sexual assault survivor community.
When you have such a public case like this and you have so many women coming forward, and it crushes us when we find out that another person is walking away.
At trial, Jessie Kivaroli was acquitted of sexual assault because of problems with the complainant's evidence. The judge questioned several details regarding the allegations, like why bruising wasn't reported to a doctor, the timing of their breakup, and why a post-alleged incident meetup wasn't reported to police even though the complainant says she told officers. In comparison, Justice Bill Bazaran categorized Kivaroli's testimony as unwavering and unshaken. Unable to resolve the differences, Bazaran acquitted Kivaroli.
That really shows the system it's more of an offender-based system than it is a survivor-centered or victim-centered system.
For the Victoria Sexual Assault Centre, it's more evidence that change needs to happen within the justice system beyond the free training available to judges.
It really feels like the change needs to come from inside the justice system.
Favreau wants to see more trauma specialists being called by prosecutors as expert witnesses.
I think that we'd get a higher outcome of guilty verdicts. I think that people would understand a lot more what trauma can do to a brain. Our brain protects us when we don't want to remember something, or if something is too scary, our brain goes into protection mode.
In a statement, BC's prosecution service says it doesn't disclose the reasoning behind the decisions that involve the exercise of prosecutorial discretion in individual files. As Kivaroli's court proceedings wrap here in British Columbia, he now faces 6 charges of sexual assault in Ontario, which have yet to be proven in court.
We really hope that people know that it doesn't take away the validity, it doesn't take away the truth from a survivor's experience, even though at the end of the day, this is the decision the courts have made.
Victoria's Sexual Assault Centre is reminding all survivors it doesn't have to be proven in court to be real.